Hi, my name is Hemal Patel. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, USA. I am a business owner. Yeah, so I've been hearing about a lot of hair transplants procedures going on in Turkey and how well they were. And so I noticed one of my friends and I said, you got a good set of hair? And he said, yeah, he just came back from Turkey. And I said, where did he go? And he said, Vera Clinic. And so he sent me the website. And so then I went through the website and also did the YouTube videos for the clinic, and they were very, very helpful. The expectation was that, you know, I could get enough grafts done all at once, and actually it worked out where I was able to cover most of my head, like the scalp and the front of my head really well. And so it went really, really well, and I was thankful the doctor that suggested take some additional hair out of here so I can put it on my crown so that way it looks consistent. So that was very nice of him. I don't like using numbers, but I would say, 9 to 10 out of 10. So it's been very good. I was comfortable, but I also need to know that, it is tough on that first day. It's, but they make it very, they are helpful, and as day 2, day 3 goes on, it gets a lot easier. Everyone was knowledgeable, and whatever questions I had, if somebody didn't know, they found somebody who could answer it. So they had the answers. They did provide good assistance after the surgery, and they've also let me know that, in the future, if I need to reach out, then I have a contact person. I was looking yesterday when I got back to the hotel, and it was very promising. And I could tell that once the hair is back, it's going to cover pretty much everything. So that was the good thing. I looked around to see how clean the clinic was. I looked at the floors, the tables. I was observant and seeing that if everything was clean, and yeah, it was very, very clean. Even the consultation room, the surgery rooms, they were all very clean. My consultant was really nice because once I got back, she asked me if I wanted to order food. She ordered food for me. Next day, she checked on me. She's like, do I need help with anything? So she did an excellent job following up. If I did have to come back, I would definitely come back here. So, or I would recommend it to my friends. I mean, that's the biggest thing I think a business looks for, right? Is recommendations, because a recommendation is worth way more than any piece of advertising is. Once we landed, I didn't have to look for a taxi, or I didn't know if somebody was gonna price haggle me. I got picked up, and then every day I would get text messages saying, hey, the driver will be there at 7 o'clock to pick you up, 7:40 to drop you off, or this is your next appointment. And before I got there, the car was always there. Yeah, I felt very safe. I was thinking about it just this morning that it was very, very convenient. I never felt out of place, because I know a lot of people feel the security, am I going to be, harassed, robbed, whatever, but it's been very, very, it's easy. You just get out of the hotel, and the car is waiting and drop you off to the hotel. So it's really safe.